Welcome back to the iReady Championship. What a rainy, nasty day. But you know what's not nasty and awful? These awesome iReady champs. So, let's see who our math champion is. Here he is.
'Cause I saw Tiger, now I understand. I saw Tiger, Tiger saw me.
It's the eye of the tiger. Hey, how's it going? Please don't eat me. Okay, Dale, come get this thing, please. Please come get it now. The reading champ, go to the reading champ now. Oh yeah, coming back with a vengeance. The Avenger, the Iron Man of iReady, Zach. Good job, buddy. The rest of you guys, do better. Now, where the heck did that tiger go? I don't want to get bit.